Hi, I'm Dave Greenbaum with DoctoDave Computer Repair in Lawrence, Kansas. I started doing Testimonial Tuesdays as a way to thank the vendors that help us to serve our client needs. Today, I'd like to give an unpaid and unsolicited testimonial about TechSite Builder. I've been a customer of Matthew Rodella's service for a few years now. My website was designed when I started my business in 2003. Yes, we're celebrating 15 years this month. And the problem is it looks like it's from 2003. I'm a computer repair business owner and a technician. I'm not a web designer. I tried other platforms and services, but they were too complex. The learning curve was steep, and they didn't really meet our industry needs. Once I saw TechSite Builder, I knew it was the perfect fit. I saw the support videos on YouTube, and I decided I could do this. Within an hour or so, I had the site up and running. It already had the features I wanted as a computer repair business owner, like lists of services, contact page, testimonials. Matt even included clip art related to our industry. It was so easy to use that once I had the initial setup stuff done, I had the administrative assistant go ahead and do the data entry and the typing. Now it's based on WordPress, so you might already know how to use it. When WordPress improves, Matt incorporates those changes into TechSite Builder. For example, now you can do drag and drop page design. Since it has WordPress, you also have a blog all ready to go. Though I'm a writer, you might have seen my work in places like GigaOM, Gawker, Lifehacker. I know I can use services like TechNibbles newsletters and Tech Blog Builder to add content when I don't have the time to write. Because it's WordPress, I was also able to add customized content like the Facebook Messenger widget. Facebook support was great on this because they detailed exactly how to do it if you've got a WordPress site, which TechSite Builder is. When I run into trouble, Matt and his team are always there for me. They quickly answer my questions, and if I get in over my head, I can use the concierge service to do the work for me. Now, I haven't used that service yet because I'm stubborn, and at least I know it's out there when I get into trouble. For your monthly fee, TechSite Builder gives you the website, the hosting, and SSL. Matt also gives back to the community with his computer marketing Facebook group, his podcast, and his newsletter. He understands our community and gives back to it. I'm proud my Kansas City computer repair business uses TechSite Builder. I'm Dave Greenbaum with DoctoDave Computer Repair, and this is my Testimonial Tuesday. Thanks.